Hello, everyone. Welcome to CP. So we're excited to bring to you the news that's happening on the markets on today, which is 30th of
Yeah,
January,
30th.
and this is Ruboy, and this is
Big
yeah,
step at crypto. Let's fucking go.
exactly. So we just want to like chip in like to give our community like the update of on what's happening in the market. If you can see the screen right now, you could see like the last trade we called. I'm so excited about our calls.
Yeah.
Our calls is always we always have like 80 to 90% winning rate, which is so amazing, so amazing. When we look at the charts and the calls we make, it always goes as we predict. Even when we scalp, sometimes we scalp or we always don't post our scalping
Yeah.
on X, but we try posting the scalping entries on X, but we also post on TG. So which is the reason why you have to join us on TG and follow us on X. So we had one of the chart we had is the undo on the screen right now, and if you can see, this is the entry point we call for undo. Right here at the yellow line is the entry point we call for undo, and the red line is the stop loss, which you could see right here. It was called on the 8th of January. We called it on the 8th of January. Then
2025.
yes, then on the 19th, we saw that play that he came in right in on the entry, didn't get to the stop loss. This is one of the perfect entry. I love this entry, and it did almost so boom. First TP hit. That's almost 38%
Yeah.
increase, and that was amazing. So super excited about anyone who took this trade. So that's amazing. Then we have other calls we've made which they are still ranging on the same level. We've called BTC. Go to the CPX account, you could see all the trades we've called, and also, and I'm excited about the markets today because the market is showing a bullish sign. Then we could see today the Nvidia stock has crossed a red line that points to more pain after this week's DeepSeek rollout. So what's your experience with DeepSeek rollout? Because we try using DeepSeek today to trade. Yeah. So what's your experience like?
Yeah, we tried using DeepSeek because we've been seeing posts of some, crypto traders saying
Yeah.
that DeepSeek, you can also use to analyze, which is something we tried today. We tried on fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So we tried on scalping, you know, we took the trade, but the fact is that I think DeepSeek is not really good on technical
On technical,
analysis.
yeah.
Yeah, I think
It's
it's
more
better on
fundamental.
fundamentals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I tried using DeepSeek today to trade, so I asked DeepSeek, then DeepSeek sometimes the server broke down, so I was trying to work at the
Yes,
same at
yes,
the pace, like
that's
trying
one.
to trying to trade at the same time, then sending DeepSeek my charts to analyze. Before DeepSeek could analyze, the chart is gone, and you could either be losing or you missed out on the trade.
That's true, and yeah, that's one thing. That's one thing because sometimes you'll be trying to get some information from DeepSeek, but you just have to wait for, you know, like he'll tell you that he's thinking. I don't even know what
Cool.
what.
He did think. He's thinking. I used to take almost 5 minutes
Five
to
minutes
think
to think, man. Sometimes
before
I
giving
have to
you.
like
So
restart and do all those things again. But
so
that's our experience with DeepSeek,
yeah.
and this is the first day we use it. So
This is the first that
yeah,
we were trying to give DeepSeek like that trial
you know.
to see how we can use DeepSeek to actually trade. But the experience was nice. But I think on fundamentals,
Yes,
they,
fundamentals is
when
good.
go to our X account, you could see that DeepSeek is predicting Bitcoin at 88K.
Yes, going
At
to
88K.
88K.
So DeepSeek predicting Bitcoin at 88K. We had to take the confidence by posting this for our community, which is going to be. But just watch out if our fundamentals shows positive, we're going to retweet that DeepSeek chart.
Yeah, sure.
Then to reverse that, yeah.
Once our calls play out, we definitely come back and retweet and
Exactly.
give you guys evidence.
Exactly.
And one thing about our signals we don't give short signals. We always trade on 4 hours or daily.
Yeah.
You understand? It takes a while, but if you have the patience, because one thing about crypto is all about patience.
Except
know?
when we're scalping.
Yes, except when you
We scalp
scalping.
today,
And
submit some money
sometimes,
today.
sometimes some people can even take those trades, but based on fear and like they're not confident, they go
They
out at
come
the
out
end of the
early.
day, it plays out. So
Exactly.
I think if you're joining our team, if you're joining our community,
Mm.
once we post a signal like that, I don't think you guys need to be scared. You just have to be confident and
Because
know
this is
that this,
CP
yeah,
alert. When you get the
CP,
CP
I'm
alert,
telling you, don't
just
play.
stay really strong.
Don't
Wait on
play.
the entry. Once you enter on the entry, just put your stop loss and relax.
Yes,
Because
just relax.
definitely, if you are not sure about a chart, we're not going to give it out. Once we're sure about a chart, we're going to give it out.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at the next news, which is affecting also the market. So we saw Trump keep the support, keeping his word on the crypto space. Okay, we saw that he is still pushing and keeping his support for the crypto space, which is still a bullish sign for us, for crypto, for Bitcoin, for the to the upside. And today we saw Ethereum rallying ahead of Bitcoin with almost 5%. So Bitcoin was at was running around 105, while Ethereum was
105, yeah.
around
105, 104. It's just
2200.
up down, up down, up
Exactly.
down.
I think it
Actually,
was going sideways.
yeah, I think Bitcoin has been ranging from
1.8, 1.5,
yes,
1.3,
yes,
1.2.
yes, around that
Yeah.
range.
Okay, so the next one we saw Kraken launching staking futures for the people in US, which is and it's supporting Solana and Ethereum, which is a bullish news for Solana and Ethereum. So I'm seeing Ethereum actually scaling up because Ethereum is truly undervalued, but Ethereum and Solana are going to actually compete in this season. What I'm seeing.
Yeah, but this is fundamental news. You
Yeah.
understand me?
Sometimes
It
for
looks
fundamentals actually push the market.
yeah.
News can come. This news actually could. I've actually not traded Ethereum and Solana today. So, but I think just go ahead. Let me
No, I
open
think
Solana trade.
yeah, because today I went into the Ethereum chart, and for my own technical analysis, I saw that Ethereum might drop. It's not really bullish from what I saw. You understand? It's not really bullish, but based on fundamentals, it looks bullish. Because just like I was showing you the other day, the all-time highs. Ethereum didn't break the all-time highs.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
just came to the tip, and it started descending, and you can see that there's been a change of structure. You understand, on Ethereum. If you go to the daily time frame, I think you see the go to the daily.
Yeah, this Ethereum's daily time frame. So we saw Ethereum breaking going all time highs of 296,
Yeah.
all times highs of 296, and it's down already. So that's Solana. The Ethereum is still undervalued, which for me I'm still bearish on Ethereum. I'm still
Yeah,
fully bearish on
even me,
Ethereum.
I'm still bearish on Ethereum,
I'm still bearish on
despite the
Ethereum.
news is
Exactly.
showing a bullish.
But Solana is fucking bullish. Like El Salvador, they are still bullish and strong on Bitcoin. So that's another bullish news for us again. Then we saw that the EU are still bearish. They are not
I
yet
think
compliant.
on the Twitter space today,
Yeah.
Bitcoin has been really, really bullish, like fundamentally. Everybody has been posting Bitcoin.
But
Different news about Bitcoin,
the
like,
EU is still not yet compliant with Bitcoin, so they are still not yet accepting, which means the EU are still a little bit bearish. I saw another news today which says that the Tether expresses disappointment over the MiCA driven USDT delisting in EU. So which means the EU are still uh, they are still negative
BTC.
on the crypto market entirely. So
Okay.
but that being said, that's all for today, and we are so excited just to bring you a little insight on what's happening in the market today. Make sure you follow CP on X,
Yeah.
the Crypto Parlor, and join us on Telegram, the Crypto Parlor. I am Ruboy, and
Big step in the building.
watch out for CP.
Let's fucking go, guys.